What's up, Danny Squad? Today we are going to from a long time ago. So we're gonna be doing stuff from a long time ago. So this is from a long time ago. We're gonna go do that in a second. I feel like it is ASMR. So yeah, we have this. Oh my god, wait a minute. And some slime stuff. Okay, first one I want to do is this one. So I think it's already open. Oh wait. Oh yeah, it's open. Oh yeah, what's about this? Okay, so I didn't color in all that, but yeah, I can color in it. Okay, picture this is. You can tell that I colored that. Okay, that's the picture of Moana. This is her food. Oh, I forgot to color this. Okay. I will need to find that marker. Pig in her. Pig. Pig and chicken. Hold on. I didn't do the rest. Oh wait. I didn't do the rest. Okay. Go into this. Let me see what's in here. Oh, wait, is this a... I liked this one. It was like a little art that I did. So you got a sticker. Oh no. I don't know how to do that one, so... Let's close this. Okay. Not a lot of these that I colored. I haven't colored this a lot, but I have. Oh, is that a sticker? Oh, that was a sticker. But that one sucks because now I can't do anything with stickers. Oh, there's another set of stickers. Oh crap, we have more stickers. Oh, it's so heavy. I can't even carry it. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which is? Ooh, okay. Let me see. This one's sticky is like really sticky. Is really good. And what else is clear? Okay. Let me just show you. Clear. And this is the NAR. And that is this one. Okay. So let's start on this center shape because I can't stick my hand in there. Okay, I didn't get that anywhere. Okay. Okay. Next one, which one?
TV off?
Huh?
When you go to sleep, you either put pajamas or shorts, okay? That's
Okay,
mine
so
do.
this is the
Oh
good.
no, it's my room's weird one, I think. I feel like you want to.
Yeah, this
I just feel so.
is rotten. Okay. Yeah.
You seen it before?
Give this a like if you want me to do another one like this, but stick my hand in here.
I feel like I'm gonna pull out.
Okay, what's next one? Which one? Okay. Oh god, this one has so much glitter in it. Good, I'm gonna open it. I like this one actually. I can actually play with this one. So much glitter. Okay, I just want to show you this. Okay. Let me see if this will let me.